Assalamu alaikum girls. Which activity are we doing today?
We are calculating perimeter area of 3D and 3D shapes.
Okay, can you repeat it again?
We are calculating perimeter and area of 2D and 3D shapes.
Okay. Can anybody give me some examples of 2D shapes?
Rectangle, square, circle, triangle.
Okay, and some examples of 3D shapes?
Cuboid.
Okay, next.
Cylinder. Cone. Cube.
Very nice. So let's begin with the activity.
Cuboid. Square. Circle. Rectangle. Cube. Cuboid. Equilateral triangle. Rectangle. Cube. This is the circle.
Asma, which shape did you bring today?
I have brought mobile box of cuboid shape.
Okay, so what will you calculate?
I am calculating surface area of cuboid.
Can you tell me the formula for calculating it?
2 LB plus BH plus LH.
Very nice.
Length. Breadth. Height.
Asma, what are you doing?
I am calculating area of square using
Okay.
this object.
Very nice. Shadna, which object did you bring today?
Circular object.
Oh, very nice. So, can you calculate the diameter of this object?
Yes, I calculate.
Very nice. Show me. Okay, what is the diameter?
12 cm.
Very nice. What will you calculate the next?
I will calculate area of circle.
Okay, now what is the formula for calculating area of circle?
Pi r square.
Very nice, you can continue. Evan, which is your object today?
This is my object.
Okay, very nice. So, which shape is this?
This is rectangle.
Okay, how will you calculate? What is this, a length or a breadth?
Length.
Very nice. What is the formula of area of rectangle?
Length into breadth.
Okay, now you can continue. Maria, which object is this?
This is a cube.
How many faces does a cube has?
The faces of cube has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6.
So in total it is?
6.
Very nice, okay. So what will you calculate using this cube?
I am calculating area of cube.
Okay, so can you tell me the formula?
6 into L square.
Very nice. Shifa, which object did you bring today?
I brought stapler pin box.
Okay, so what is the shape of this box?
This is the shape of the cuboid.
Okay, so how will you use it? What will you calculate?
I will calculate total surface of area.
Total surface area you mean, right?
Yes,
How will you measure?
I will using a scale.
Okay, so which shape is this?
This is cube.
What are you calculating?
Area of cube.
Okay, so what is the formula?
6 multiplied by L square.
Very nice. What are you doing, Ikra?
I am measuring the length.
Okay, which shape is this?
This shape is rectangle.
So what are you calculating?
I am calculating the area of rectangle.
So what is the formula of area of rectangle?
Length into breadth.
Wow, which object is this?
Equilateral triangle.
What are you doing?
I am taking length of it.
Okay, so can you measure it?
Yes.
What are you calculating using this?
Perimeter of equilateral triangle.
Okay, so what is the formula?
3 into side.
Okay, so which shape is this?
This is a circular shape tape.
Okay, so can you tell me what is the diameter of this shape?
Okay.
Can you calculate it?
Yes.
Keep it here.
Okay.
Now calculate.
This is 8.3.
Okay, centimeter. You can say 8.3 centimeters.
8.3 centimeters.
So using this diameter, what are you calculating?
I am calculating the circumference of circle.
Okay, so what is the formula for it?
The formula is pi d.
Very nice. You can continue.